How to create an artifact in Claude AI. First, open the official Claude AI website and sign into your account. Start a new chat and describe exactly what you want Claude to create. For example, you can type, "Create an interactive to-do list with a clean design." Claude will generate the content, and when it qualifies as an artifact, it will appear in a dedicated window next to your conversation. Now, you can preview the artifact and ask Claude to make changes. For example, you can say, "Change the colors," or add a search button, or make this mobile-friendly. You can continue refining the artifact through the chat until you're satisfied with the result. Once your artifact is ready, you can keep working on it, and depending on the type of artifact, you can share or publish it using Claude's available options. And that's how to create an artifact in Claude AI in 2026. For more Claude AI and AI tutorial videos, like this video and subscribe for more.